Hello and welcome. I'm going to do another double unboxing from ArtandSoul. Both of these are going to be by ReneeLavoie. I have Waiting for Prince and Noemi Witch. And they come in these pretty boxes. This one side says Let Your Soul Shine. The other has their website. They have their logo up here at the top. I am trying to experiment with trying to do videos without all this glare. So I've been turning the light kind of on and off at the moment. But while I unbox, I'll have the light on, I guess. You can see better. Okay, I guess we'll start with Waiting for a Prince. This one is 50 by 65 centimeters, and I chose square. This one is hand rendered, so this should come with ABs and soul dust. All the hand rendered ones usually have both, which I actually prefer. A lot of their paintings you can choose your free extras, as in ABs or the soul dust, sometimes both. Sometimes you can choose crystals, full crystal drills, or none if you don't want any. Let's see, it comes in this bubble wrap, extra protection for it. Oh, that really stuck. And then it comes in this plastic, and the inventory sheet is wrapped around it. Okay, we'll look at the inventory sheet here. It comes with 53 bags. This tells you the symbols, the color DMC, how much you need to complete it, how much they give you. They always give you a little extra to account for trash. And then the weight, and then how many bags of each. It looks like there's 2 bags of 820 AB, and the rest is 1 bag. And that has your information here. It's square, it's resin, 3 ABs and 2 soul dust. And it has the artwork there. And we have our sticker sheet here. This side has your stickers for your containers that have the information on it, the numbers, and the, no, I can't get that off all of a sudden. There we go. There we go, the sticker. The whole thing is actually a sticker. For this side, but these are easy to just pull off, and then stick on your containers. I just stick them on the bags, as I find it easiest for me to just get up and start and get started right away. This side has the logo and information, the name, the artist, her artwork, and this information down here. But this side is not pre-cut, so if you want to use it for your logbooks or whatever, you'll have to cut that, but it is still a sticker. Okay, and here's the drills. Try not to talk while I'm holding the plastic. I crinkle it too much, it's so loud on the camera. You can't hear me. So when you have ABs and soul dust, they're always on one end. They are in numerical order, so they go down, which makes it so much easier to put the stickers on too, because it's like, but the ABs and the soul dust are always on the one end. If some of the hand rendered ones that I've done so far have had either like glow drills or crystals, and those will tend to be mixed in. So if you can't find them, they're mixed in somewhere and they're not indicated on the sticker sheets or the inventory. Okay, so we have 3 ABs. 50. Oh. Those are so similar in color. I thought they were 3 bags of it, but it's 2 ABs and 1 sawdust. Okay. Sawdust, AB, AB. Okay. Oh, I didn't go over the toolkit yet. This is the toolkit. It's just your standard toolkit. So you have your tray, pen grip, multi-placer bags, a bunch of purple wax, and their tweezers that has their logo on them. This is if you get squares, though. If you get rounds, you won't get the tweezers. So, put this up, and then we'll take a look at this canvas, see if we can flatten it out some. Okay. Turn off the light for a minute so you can look at it without all the glare. So a cat right here, it's cute, and a frog, very pretty. I've ordered a lot of her witches so far, but I'm always a little iffy on the computer rendered ones, and a lot of them are older, so you can't see the render on their website right now. I do hope they come out with a lot more of our mermaids, though. Those are my favorite. Okay, so let's get started with the special drills. We'll start with 48. This is a purple AB. 48 is the symbol. And let's see, it's a pretty decent sized bag. So, there it does look like there's actually more confetti in here than I thought there would be for being hand rendered. If you can tell right here, there is quite a lot of different colors there. And then of course in her hat, there's quite a bit of confetti. So as you can see, there are a lot of this AB right here mixed throughout here, and all along the side here, lots of that. And there's actually, I don't mean to hit the camera, so there's actually quite a lot back here. There's a bunch in her lips and around her eyes. Bunch around her eyes and in her lips. So, and then again, there was a lot throughout here on the side here. A couple sprinkled in down here. Like there's a couple. One here, one here. There's a bunch right here. A bunch right here. Several here. And there's some throughout here. don't know if I already said it, but there's some right here. Mixed throughout here. There's a few there too. Oh, and there's a few right here. Seems to be some through her hat here. A couple pieces. A couple random ones. Okay, 49 is this green AB. It's this little barbell symbol. So it looks like it's all up in this frog. And then you have some, there's some here, here, a couple here. There's a bunch right here. Quite a few right there, some there, there. Right here, one right there, one right there, one right there. That looks like it's it. There's one there. This one's actually quite easy to see. There's two there. Good bit in the frog though, so that'd be, might be kind of cute. Okay, 50. 50 is this blue AB, and it has two very big bags. So I'm gonna assume this is probably her hat and the background. 50. So it's a horseshoe symbol. We'll start down here. So there's quite a bit here in her outfit. Lots here. Whole lot here. Whole lot here. Right here. Throughout here. Some on this side. And yes, it looks like the majority of her hat is actually gonna be that AB as well. It's all of this and all of this. A few throughout here. All of this up here. All of this and this back here. It's definitely most of her hat. And up here in this corner. So main areas are here. Almost her entire hat. All the blue in her hat. A few over here. And then her sleeve and outfit here. Okay, that's that one. Now we'll do 51. This is gonna be a soul dust. Soul dust is a drill that has the mica powder on it, but it doesn't come off. It's, I guess, like mixed with it, so it gives it a shimmery, glittery coating. It's really pretty. If you've worked with some of the other companies, they call them things like fairy dust or pixie dust or bella dust. All the different companies seem to have their own names nowadays for this one. So this one's a blue, and it's a pretty big bag here. It's the symbol, and it looks like it's going to be pretty much in all the same areas, but a little less and mixed throughout. So it is all throughout her sleeve here and throughout here in her outfit. There's a good portion over, good portion right here, and on the side here, and then it's just like all mixed throughout her hat, and up here and here, and all throughout her hat. All that just mixed throughout it. So her whole hat, it looks like it's going to be ABs and soul dust. It's going to be really neat. And it looks like this might actually be in there too. We'll go over this one. This is a very dark blue soul dust. And it's the U-turn symbol. And it looks like it's going to be sprinkled in here a bit. And then there's a few sprinkled in here. Not very many, but a few around this. Let's get this bigger picture. Her black feathery thing around her neck on her outfit. So there's a few in there. There's like 2 right here. Let's see. And then, so it's going to be throughout her hat too. All these darker spots are going to have some. There's a few in here, a couple here. They're kind of throughout the darker areas. There's a couple there, and there. A few over here, like one right there, a few in here, a few in here, a few in here, right there. It's like one right there, one right there. And actually it looks like there's a good bit in the darker area here. So that's actually gonna be, this is all AB, and then you have the soul dust, and then another AB for a lot of that in that corner. So this whole corner right here is gonna be a lot of special drills. Looks like there might be a couple of that one in her eye too. The dark blue soul dust. There's a few in her lips and her eyes. Okay, we're going to try to sit this one aside real quick so we can get out the other one. This one, it's also 55 by 70 and square, and this one is also hand rendered. This one's going to be a little bigger than that one. Looks like they had to tape 2 of these together. I've gotten a few like that where I guess their standard size is a little too small, so they cut another one and piece it together. Open this one. Alright, look at our inventory sheet here. This one will have 71 bags, 2 ABs, and 3 soul dust. So we're going to have 1 more soul dust instead of the AB this time. 2 bags of 310 on this one. It looks like the rest is only 1 bag. 70 colors. And then Here's our sticker sheet again. Quite a lot of these are again pre-cut, and this side is not. We won't go through the toolkit again, but it's all the same. Try to flatten this out some. I just realized I didn't talk about the canvas this time. Do that on this one. So they do have their logo here at the top. And then on both sides there's a legend with their picture, with the picture of the artwork on there. And then scalloped edges and artwork down here at the bottom corner as well. So you have 3 small images on the artwork around it. And their logo here and the website and email right there. They also have a Facebook page that you can go to and see other people's work in progress and see their new releases coming out and keep up with that. They do new releases every Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern time. I think they start, I can't remember when they start the sneak peeks, the previews I should say. I think on Wednesday, somewhere between Tuesday and Wednesday, depending on how many they're going to release. Okay, I'm going to turn off the light real quick so we can see that better without the glare. So, start down here with her fox and Luna moth. I love this. This is really pretty. I hope they do a lot more of hers hand rendered. I haven't seen a computer rendered one yet, but all that confetti makes me nervous. Okay. So, take out the special drills. Again, they'll be at the bottom. Not that many. Let's see, soul dust, soul dust, soul dust, 2 of these. This doesn't look like it has nearly as much as the other one. I'm going to turn the light back on for a bit. Okay. So we'll start with the ABs. So purple AB. And the symbol, oh boy, I don't think I've seen that one. Sort of reminds me of the Sailor Pluto symbol. I'm a big Sailor Moon fan, so I think it's upside down, but okay, 66 is 550 AB. Where are you? So, oh, there's some in her lips. There's a few around there and there. And then it looks like there's a few here. And then there's some around this flower in her hat. Might actually be it. in this flower and in her lips. I'm not seeing any more. It is a pretty small bag though. So. 67 is this blue AB. And it's the ski symbol. It's 820 AB. So it looks like it's actually going to be around these flowers, around the flowers here, and up here, and around here, all this blue here. And around here, and here, and here. Dark sections. And it actually looks like it's it. That one's also a pretty small bag. But I don't see any more just in those flowers. Yep. Alright, and now Soul Dust. This is a very small bag as well. It's the blue Soul Dust. Almost kind of matches the AB. Trying to see if my camera would stay focused. Alright, 68. Oh, look. It's, what's that called? A spade symbol? So it looks like it's going to be up here with the flowers again. So there's some here and here, around here, 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 a few up here, right here, and right here. Looks like that's actually it. Alright, and then we have 69. It's a pretty mint green color. I really think that looks darker on my camera. Okay. It's this moon symbol. So looks like it's actually going to be all throughout this moth, Luna moth. So it's kind of funny, all throughout the Luna moth. And then there's going to be some here in her hat and these leaves. And then some on this side. And then there's like a few up here. And then I have quite a bit right there. I think that's actually it for that. It's mostly in the moth, but it's also a pretty small bag too. And then this one, also a small bag. This is Soul Dust. I think this is a brown color. It's 3799. And I'll just show you the symbol instead of what I think to call it. Oh. Kicked my camera. Okay, let's see. Where's that one? So it looks like it's actually around the fox's nose and around here, a few here and here, and it looks like it's around his ears a bit, there and there. There's a few here. Looks like there's some here in her hair. And then there's a few here in her eye and her eye here. And then a few here. And there's some here on the branches. Here. And doesn't look like it's on that side. Oh, there's a few in here. A little bit there and there. I think that's it. It's mostly in the fox's ears and face, and the mouth and nose, and then some in her hair and the branches, and then there. Yep, that was the last one. I have some more coming of hers, so I'll do more videos later. I think the ones coming though are going to be computer rendered instead of hand. So hopefully they come out with more of her mermaids though. They've been doing a lot of the witches lately, but hopefully we see more mermaids. I do have Beneath the Waves, but I didn't get to do an unboxing of that one. Fun Beneath the Waves, I mean. I've almost got it completed, but I'll be working on a few others for now. And then I'll go back to that one and complete it. Post it in the group. That is by ReneeLavoie. Noemi Witch. Really pretty. I think she's one of my favorite artists right now. I really like a lot of her stuff. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.